Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has the potential to make your crypto portfolio shine. That's right, we're talking about staking PAXG, the most profitable staking opportunity out there. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to uncover the secrets to boosting your profits with PAXG coin. Transition to the host standing in front of a sleek, futuristic background. But before we delve into the details, let's take a quick moment to introduce ourselves. If you're new here, I'm your host, and this is our channel, the Top 10 channel, your one-stop destination for all things crypto. We're dedicated to providing you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Before we get into the video, I am hosting a giveaway. All you need to do is like and subscribe to enter. The prize is £100. I hope you enjoy the video and make sure you watch till the end. Cut to a visually appealing chart showing the growth of PAXG over time. Alright, let's talk PAXG. PAXG, short for Paxos Gold, is a digital asset that is fully backed by physical gold. It combines the stability of gold with the efficiency and flexibility of blockchain technology. It's like having a piece of gold in your digital wallet, but with added advantages. Switch to an animated infographic highlighting the benefits of staking PAXG. Now, let's get to the exciting part, staking PAXG. Staking refers to the process of holding and supporting a cryptocurrency network's operations in return for rewards. When you stake PAXG, you're essentially lending your PAXG coins to the network, allowing it to function smoothly. In return, you earn some pretty sweet rewards. Show a screenshot of a staking platform with high annual percentage yield, APY. Here's the game changer, folks. Staking PAXG has become one of the most profitable staking opportunities in the crypto space. With attractive annual percentage yields, APYs, that can reach sky-high numbers, staking PAXG can generate a steady stream of passive income for you. Cut to a split screen with the host and a financial expert. Financial expert, absolutely, your name. The reason staking PAXG is so profitable is because of its unique nature. Unlike other staking coins, PAXG's value is directly linked to physical gold. As the gold price rises, the value of your staked PAXG increases too, resulting in higher rewards. It's like having the best of both worlds: the stability of gold and the potential for exponential growth. Host nods and addresses the camera. Thanks for explaining, expert's name. Now, let's talk about the different platforms where you can stake PAXG. There are several reputable exchanges and DeFi platforms that offer PAXG staking options, each with its own benefits and features. It's crucial to do your research and choose a platform that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Showcase a series of screenshots from different staking platforms. Remember, when you're selecting a staking platform, pay attention to factors such as staking fees, reputation, security measures, and the overall user experience. It's always a good idea to compare multiple platforms and read user reviews before making your final decision. Transition to the host in front of a whiteboard. Now, let's break down the process of staking PAXG. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it might sound. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. 1. Acquire PAXG. Purchase PAXG coins from a reputable exchange. 2. Choose a staking platform. Select a reliable staking platform that supports PAXG. 3. Deposit PAXG. Transfer your PAXG coins to the staking platform's designated wallet. 4. Select staking option. Choose your desired staking option, considering the lockup period and APY. 5. Confirm and stake. Confirm your staking transaction, and voila! You're now staking PAXG and earning rewards. Camera zooms in on the host's face. Remember, staking always comes with some level of risk. It's essential to evaluate the risks associated with staking, such as network security, smart contract vulnerabilities, or changes in market conditions. Do your due diligence and stay informed. Closing shot. Host standing in front of a backdrop with PAXG branding. And there you have it, Folks, staking PAXG, the most profitable staking opportunity out there. With its connection to physical gold and attractive APYs, staking PAXG can be a game changer for your crypto portfolio. As always, remember to invest wisely, diversify your holdings, and stay up to date with the latest trends in the crypto world. Host, excitedly, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Background music fades out as the video ends.